bird tried to flap and glide, but slipped from the branch and down she slid. She shook her wings and said with a grin, "Oh no, today I couldn't win." The clever cat said, "Hey, what's wrong?" The bird replied, "The wind was strong." The squirrel laughed, "Don't you fear, try again, your flight is near." The flowers swayed and shouted loud, "Fly again, be brave and proud." The bird then stretched her wings out wide, jumped and soared with joyful pride. Up she rose, through air she spun, smiling bright in the morning sun. The children clapped and danced with glee.